I'm Aldo de Leonibus. I am the CEO of Inventya. We started Inventya in 2010. We support quite a broad range of businesses with things like accessing to finance, helping with the strategy and supporting via strategic advice in accelerating the level of growth and scaling. We are also partners in a number of different programs, like for example, we work with Inventya UK on the business growth program, and we deliver on high growth and scaling up support. I believe the statistics are 80-90% of businesses don't make it past the first few years. So we wanted to really have an impact and support the businesses in the development, the successful development of their groundbreaking technologies and commercializing these technologies and taking them to market. We have offices around the UK. We have an office in Ireland as Inventya Ventures. We're based in Dublin, and we also have an office in India, in Gurgaon, near New Delhi. Across the company we have over 90 staff. We have developed something bespoke in Zoho Creator that is very powerful for us, so we receive a lot of inquiries and referrals from partners. We were looking for a solution that could keep the partners informed of what was happening with the referrals. So through Zoho Creator we developed our partner portal, and through the partner portal now the partners they can send leads to us, ask, send inquiries, but more important than that, we have developed a dashboard, and from that they can see everyone that they've referred and what's the status of the discussion, whether it's someone that we progressed with, whether there are any contracts that we sent out to a prospect, whether the contracts have been signed, and if the partner, in certain cases, they can receive a commission, then there is also the tracking of that, and they can see everything in just one very simple dashboard. The partner portal can be accessed very easily from our website, with an email and password. The partner can log in and access it. They can access it from anywhere. That's the beauty about the Zoho Creator, that they can be accessed from any website, but can also be accessed from mobile devices and tablets. The information is very clearly presented, and it's also integrated with the CRM, so our business development team, they don't need to duplicate the information and to write something specific on the partner portal. They can just write the notes within the CRM, and then the notes are automatically accessible from Zoho Creator and from the partner portal. The partner portal is very easy for us to manage. We can see the list of everyone that has applied to become a partner. They can do that very simply from the website. We have a partner page on our website. We can accept the partners that we want to allow in the partner portal. We can monitor as well what the partners do within the portal. If a partner stops being a partner, we can remove them from the partner portal. Before the partner portal, it was taking us a lot of time to manage the relationship with the partners. For example, every time we spoke with a client, we had to send a number of different emails to keep them up to date and explain how the discussion was progressing. It took the finance team a lot of time just to go through all of the invoices and prepare the quarterly reports and send the quarterly reports to the partners. Now, because it's all linked in directly into the CRM, everything works seamlessly by itself, and we don't have to do anything extra, just to keep the partner informed and to give them visibility in terms of the finances and in terms of the contracting. With Zoho, we recruited our internal developer a few years ago because we realized how powerful it was and how customizable it is and the value that it would bring to the organization. This Zoho developer helped a lot in creating all of the different apps that we have within Zoho Creator, and we realized that the Zoho Creator is a very easy to use and easy to customize solution where the majority of the options are just a drag and drop, so it does all of the scripting automatically in the background. We've developed our different apps within Zoho Creator so that they're all all white labeled. They all have the look and feel of the Inventya, and they fit seamlessly within our environment. I would absolutely recommend Zoho to any growing and scaling business. It's absolutely fantastic, and it's the best solution that we found to bring all of the information together so seamlessly into just the same portal and the same system.